Brinc is an early-stage venture acceleration program where we try to solve some of the world's most important problems by investing in early-stage technology entrepreneurs from all over the world.
We're focused on four main industries: how we move, how we live, how we eat, and how we feel.
It's not easy being a founder. It's not easy creating a startup from scratch. You need people around you that can help you.
We truly provide support throughout the entire lifetime of the startup.
We're different because we're fun.
A framework like an accelerator and the network that they are able to bring can truly accelerate a lot of the companies that are looking to go to market.
It's a perfect time to get mentorship, get a little bit of money, put the pedal to the metal, and see if this thing's really going to make sense.